Today, we're diving into NextBillion.ai Navigation SDK, a robust tool for developers seeking to incorporate advanced navigation capabilities into their mobile applications. Our SDK supports Android, iOS, Jetpack, and Flutter platforms. Designed with developers in mind, our SDKs include easy integration, comprehensive documentation, and responsive support from the NextBillion.ai team. You will find in-depth explanations of SDK configuration, navigation style and themes, and custom routing preferences, all accompanied by detailed examples. Our SDKs offer a wide range of features and capabilities that enable you to create custom navigation UI for your business. You can customize the branding for navigation screens and maps, and get specialized navigation instructions for trucks. Let's take a quick tour of our Navigation SDK application. We've developed a sample mobile app using the NextBillion iOS Navigation SDK, allowing you to quickly test and integrate the SDK's capabilities and configurations. Here's the main screen of our navigation sample app. You'll find route simulation for testing and configuration options to tweak other parameters, just like in the API. In settings, you can choose distance measure units, dark or light modes, the language for navigation instructions. Enter your API key to get authenticated. Developer options let you fine-tune navigation camera and recording settings. And we've got predefined styles for markers and routes, flexible for customization. Set vehicle dimensions and marker settings for precise navigation. Now, let's create a short route. Define origin and destination. I'll select car-based routing and run the app. See the turn-by-turn instructions, time, distance, and destination. The app reroutes if needed. Once you reach your destination, a screen confirms your journey's completion. Visit NextBillion.ai to learn more. Thanks for watching.